2014 Dart. The Dodge Dart was introduced as a lower-priced, shorter wheelbase, full-size Dodge in 1960 and 1961, became a mid-size car for 1962, and finally was a compact from 1963 to 1976. Chrysler had previously applied the Dart name to a Ghia-built show car in 1956 and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, front-wheel drive, universal garage door opener, compass, fog lights, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, power rear window sunshade. Your new ride is just a phone call away.